Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are going to tell about Osho and his contribution to spirituality. The word Osho means one who is blessed by the existence. This word Osho was derived from Japanese language. In the Far East, people used this word Osho for a person who is enlightened. Osho delivered so many lectures on philosophy and religion. His work is contained in more than 600 books. His contribution to philosophy and religion cannot be neglected. Once, a disciple of Acharya Charansagarji Maharaj asked the Acharya about Osho. The Acharya told he did not know anything about Osho and told him to bring few cassettes of Osho. Then that disciple brought some cassettes of lectures of Osho to him. After listening the lectures, Tarun Sagarji Maharaj told that Osho is really an enlightened person. His words and lectures are so sweet. He commented like this: we also feel like that. His words are quite true. His lectures are so sweet. For any spiritual aspirant, Osho's lectures are very much helpful. What is the detail and significance of spirituality? Osho can explain so nicely. No spiritual seeker can avoid Osho's words. In the recent past, he contributed lots for spirituality. It is said that Osho used to be reading almost 18 hours a day. His only point is to promote spirituality. For any particular person, he can guide him or her into spiritual life. He encouraged people to be interested in spirituality. He spoke on each and every masters of the past and the present. Any person can read his books. In almost all the titles, Osho's books are available. His contribution towards spirituality is the highest. His quotations are very much interesting. One such quotation we will tell. Seriousness is the sickness of the soul. On the other hand, sincerity is the flowering of the soul. He was always concerned about enlightenment. Enlighten means to end the ignorance. He was always concerned about ending the ignorance in human beings. He established a commune in Rajneeshpuram in USA. That was one of the greatest achievements ever done by a spiritual master. People lived very happily over there. Those people were completely dedicated their life for spirituality. Osho could explain any subject in detail and in a simple way. So, Osho's contribution towards spirituality cannot be negated. In coming days also, Osho's words will be encouraging to all the youngsters who are interested in spirituality. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video describing another one aspect of life.